Imagine waking up tomorrow, and your job no longer exists, not because you got fired, not because your company shut down, but because a robot, an algorithm, or an AI can do it better, faster, and cheaper than you. Yeah, welcome to the future of work. Or maybe, the end of work. This isn't the first time humans have faced this. Machines replaced farmers during the agricultural revolution. Computers replaced typists during the digital revolution. And now, AI is coming for everyone. But here's the shocking twist. It's not just factory workers or cashiers. AI can now write poetry, compose music, design buildings, diagnose diseases, even argue in courtrooms. In other words, it's not just physical labor. It's coming for the brain jobs too. Your job as a burger flipper? Gone. Your job as a lawyer? Well, AI just beat real lawyers in legal cases. Even your job as a meme creator? AI is probably better at making dank memes than you. Yeah, let that sink in. Economists estimate that hundreds of millions of jobs could vanish in the next 20 years. But here's the big question. If robots take all the jobs, what happens to us? One possible future, a world where nobody needs to work. Machines handle everything. We get universal basic income. Humans finally free to paint, write novels, play video games, travel to Mars, or binge Netflix all day. Guilt-free. Sounds like paradise, right? Well, maybe not. Work doesn't just give us money, it gives us meaning, purpose, identity. Imagine a society where billions of people have nothing to do. Would we evolve into enlightened artists and philosophers, or just bored humans staring at TikTok 18 hours a day while AI takes care of the world? Here's a wild example. In 2023, an AI system was trained to generate entire scientific papers, and it produced better research proposals than most human PhDs. If that's happening already, fast forward 50 years, what's left for us to contribute? So maybe the end of work isn't a tragedy. Maybe it's the beginning of a new kind of civilization. One where survival isn't tied to a paycheck. One where humans stop being workers and start being dreamers. So will robots take every job? Probably. But the real question isn't whether work ends. It's whether humanity finally begins. And if you had no job tomorrow and money wasn't an issue, what would you do with your life?